So today we have something light and easy and not offending, contrary to one of my latest videos where some people got a little bit upset, but the point is they shouldn't have watched the video in the first place anyway, because it was not dedicated to them. Anyhow, today we got something easy, light and beautiful. Yeah, because this arrived just today. It's the Royal Class of the EDUARD 172 scale P-51D Mustang in a dual combo kit. Now I had to pre-order this directly from the EDUARD website. So the dual combo costed me 35 euros to order straight from EDUARD website. Now if I compare this just to my recent build, it's a Heller model, one of the fully revised Heller molds. It also costs like 30 euros, like only 5 euros less. And it's a very old, very bad fitting and nerve-wracking kit in there. And here, I think it's quite the opposite. And in my creativity killer video, which I'm gonna link up here right now, I came to the conclusion, because I do not only have the best, but also the smartest subscribers, that from time to time, it is a good thing to get one of these limited editions, luxury premium kits, which offers a lot and contains a lot of accessories and all kinds of stuff you're dreaming about. Yeah, and this is one of them days. So let's have a look. So with the box art, I think they already knocked it out of the park. I was not expecting a box art like this at all for this kit once when they announced it earlier this year. And you see those Royal Class glossy kind of stamps here and the golden silhouette of the Mustang. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly show you here what is on the box. You see the different versions. And already here, when we have a glimpse at those versions, they look crazy cool, man. All kind of different colors and very, very beautiful decals, nose arts and whatever. It's fantastic. There is even a RAF version over here. Oh, there are two RAF versions, right? So yeah, it has two kits. I saw it in, oh, have a look at this. The Mighty 8 P-51D EDUARD. Can you focus on that medal? I got a medal now. So you do not only get two kits and a whole heap of brassin parts, you also get a medal. Nice, EDUARD, nice. Okay, so these must be the plugs, right? You can place these to the landing gear bay once you have pre-painted everything. Very cool, good idea. They come up with innovative stuff all the time these days, huh? So, and we have everything, it's a dual combo. So we have everything is double trouble. Also, we notice here there are already 3 canopies. There is one front part and 3 of the rear parts. Here is one of the main sprue frames. Let's have a look. The 2 fuselage halves here, they are full of details. Like it's covered with rivets and panel lines and a lot of stuff like bolts, and it's very beautiful. This is the lower wing part. Check out this middle section here. The upper surface of the wings. Ooh, man, I mean, this is very promising. Very promising. And you know it's an EDUARD fit, so I don't think we have to worry about fitting issues. This is not a fully revised Heller mold. Now we're not going through all the parts, everything, every detail. You can bite yourself if you want to have a look so that close. But what I want to show you here is the interior, because we saw the fuselage half on the inside, or I saw it, I didn't show it to you because there is no interior details. The interior details are here, separate parts, like it often comes these days. Beautiful, bro. Very, very nice. Very beautiful stuff. So these were sprues number 1 and 2, and this is sprue number 3 in the dual combo. It contains the drop tanks, the second half of the propeller, and all kinds of small parts. Now, let's have a look at this here. Brassin. Let's go. We have to cut it open. We will cut it open. No, hold on. We will cut this open. It's great. I'm always happy if we have to cut something open because I can show off my great knife. Ooh. Okay, so that's the jewelry here. You see, 2 brassin seats and the exhaust and wheel set. See? The 2 exhaust sets here. Phew. Very beautiful wheel. Perfectly detailed. That was the best brass around, as they say. Then, of course, we have a PE set here. Voila. And another one over here. Actually, you have 3 instrument panels. 3 PE instrument panels, right? I don't know exactly why, but must be from the different versions. So we are good equipped also with PE parts. Not too much though, you know? Don't go crazy on the PE, bro. Then here, the decut masks for masking the canopy pieces, the windows, and also the wheels, of course. Oof, let's have a look at this huge, check out this huge decal sheet. But yeah, if you provide 14 marking options, I guess, yeah, that's needed. My God, this is crazy, man. Here you have an arsenal. This is like an arsenal, man. Very nicely done. These are all sections. You can cut out the entire piece if you decide to go for this or for the other version. Oh man, this one is a crazy one. What the hell is that? This is going to be wrapped around the entire aircraft, or what is it? Surely not going to build this version. But maybe this one here. Or this one here. Creamer's dream, baby. Crazy stuff, man. I told you, man, they knocked it out of the park. Then we also have the double trouble stencil sheet here to build 2 complete models, all the stencils. It's quite a lot of stencils, but yeah, I think it's manageable. So last but not least, let's have a look at the instruction sheet. Of course, here we have a little information about the history of the P-51D Mustang. Then the overview, what is on the sprues. And then we have it EDUARD style, like very informative, very clear, the way we are used to, and I guess the way we love it. At least me, I do love the EDUARD instructions. I think most of the time they are quite clear. The only thing which I see here can be a bit confusing. You gotta have your stuff together looking at this here, you see? You really have to know, like, which version are you gonna do, which option you're gonna pick here and there and everywhere. You see all the markings? I mean, this is like you really have to take care. Because, yeah, it's very detailed. You see, always you have to make sure that you do the right thing for the right marking, especially there are 14 different markings. 14. I mean, that's insane. So let's have a look here. Carolyn's Vergeltungswaffe. What? Really? Yeah. Carolyn's Vergeltungswaffe. Yeah, why not? Why not? Here's one with olive drab, dark green, one with the red nose and the Donald Duck. It's not Trump, but it's Duck. Another olive drab version. Short fuse Sally. Don't mess with her. Now here we have Angel's Playmate. Beautiful one. The yellow nose. And here's the Creamer's Dream, man. Creamer's Dream. That's fantastic. That's fantastic with the pin-up girl. Great, great, man. With the red tail, the red nose, man. Looks cocky, huh? Just the way I like it. And this one is also crazy. This one is also crazy here, the Mary Mac version. Look at the tail, man. This is the Flying Dutch, man. Oh, that's the one. I think that's the one with this crazy decal. This one here. This one here is the one with the crazy blue decal, I guess. It goes here all around. 2 times. Wrap it around the aircraft 2 times or something. The Enchantress. It's a bit ugly. That's a bit ugly, I have to say, but yeah. It's just my opinion. Yeah, old lady here. Another pin-up girl version. And the one with the yellow nose, like the anti-glare section here. It's completely yellow. I don't know if that really helps, but most probably. The RAF went with the yellow. And then the typical RAF camo, red nose, and even a shark mouth. Even a shark mouth decal. Wow, that's crazy, huh? Then last but not least here, all the stencils. And that's it. Wow, I don't know, I'm stunned. How about you? Let me know in the comment section. Did you also order that one? Anyone? Maybe even start building it yet? I will start soon. I will start building this kit soon because I think after my fully revised Heller mold SU-27, which is giving me a very hard time, I deserve this. Yes, from time to time, we need this. We need a special limited edition kit to set the tone after we had a very challenging build. Like the fully revised Heller molds. That's just, I mean, that's by coincidence just what I experienced lately. So please let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this kit? Do you love it as much as me because it's a P-51D? Or what is your preference? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Hold on. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.